Hi, I'm Dr. Tracey Marks, a psychiatrist, and this is an affirming meditation to help you process and release your anger. The idea behind this meditation is that what you think affects how you view the world and how you respond to it. This meditation is to guide you in replacing the negative thoughts in your head with positive ones. The way to do this is to just listen to my voice and imagine that these are things that you are saying to yourself. At the end of the meditation, I will have some questions for you to reflect on. Let's begin. I let go of my anger so that I can see clearly. Anger is a prison, and I choose to be free. Letting go of my anger clears my mind and allows me to make wise decisions. Anger is a disruptive force, and I choose to release it. Making smart decisions allows me to have a peaceful life. It's easier to make good decisions when my mind is free of negative emotions. The best way to accomplish this is to let go of those emotions. I take a slow, deep breath to empty my mind. In this mental state, my thought process is clear and sharp. I find it easy to clear my mind, and it gets easier each day. My mind is like a tranquil pond, and I'm totally calm and at peace. I strive for peace in my life and in my mind. Everything in life is easier when I choose to let go of my anger. Peaceful thoughts result in a peaceful mind. I treat everyone better when my mind is clear. My family is happier when I choose to release all of my negative thoughts and feelings. This is a gift I give to those I love. Today, I let go of my anger so that I can see clearly. I am able to make wise decisions unclouded by negative emotions. I feel relaxed and in control of my life. Questions for self-reflection. How good are you at getting past your angry feelings and thoughts? What positive changes have you seen when you let go of your anger? What would change in your life if you could be free of negative emotions? This is your affirming meditation.